What I wanted to talk to you about right now is this shooting bench that's in front of me. This is one of Royal Stukeys' shooting benches. He sent us the Expert shooter package, and that comes with the top, obviously, for the bench. It comes with the legs, of course, this caddy for the legs that you're able to keep them together. And it also comes with this seat, which I might add, my son is a drummer. This is not your son's drummer's seat. Okay, this throne is very solid. The cushion on it is very solid. The top on this Expert shooter package bench is polyurea coated, so it is very resistant to scratches.